Hello everyone. Today we will have another video on a math problem, and the topic of today's problem is combinatorics. Okay, so we have a 5 by 5 square composed of 25 unit squares. So, for example, this is a unit square. So, now we need to color one or more unit squares red, such that the resulting black area, red area, is rectangle. Okay, so how are we gonna approach it? For example, uh, oh, if we mark, oh, ah, this area right here, red, we will have a 2 by 3 rectangle. If we color this area here too, we'll have a 3 by 3 rectangle. We need to find out in how many ways can we color some area red so that we have a rectangle. To count this, we need to define some parameters of the rectangle, and a parameter can be, for example, area. However, if we have a rectangle here, and a rectangle here that have the same area, like they have the same area, so we can't distinguish which one is it from this parameter, and we need a parameter by which we can parameter or multiple parameters, so that looking at the set of parameters, we can distinguish where we can distinguish which concrete area is marked. So we need parameters that say something not only about the size of the red area, but also about its position. There are multiple approaches. For example, take the leftmost and topmost square in the rectangle, and the downmost and the rightmost. And having these two squares, we can easily define which area are we coloring. However, I'm gonna take a different approach. I'm gonna define not squares, but lines. The oh, for example, does it work like that? For example, for this square, we're gonna define this line, this line, this line, and this line. So we're gonna define like the borders of the colored area. And like that, using these parameters, we can define which area do we color. Actually, it's gonna be not segments, but whole lines. So yeah, and to solve the problem, we have to find out how many possible ways are there to choose such sets of lines. How are we gonna do it? Okay, first consider the set of two purple lines. First, how many ways are there to choose the first purple line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ways. How many ways are there to choose the second line? 6? No, because we can't choose the line that we already took, that we have chosen previously. So it's gonna be only 5. However, there is a small problem that oh, I'm gonna be using different shades of purple for this. So on drawing, these, if we ignore the color, are like the same sets of lines. However, here the order is different, and we know that for us they need to be uh, they are the same set, and we don't need to count it twice. However, the way we count it is the set, and this set are two different sets, and we don't want it. So to prevent that, we need to divide the whole thing by 2, which is equal to 30. 30 divided by 2, 15. I'm really sorry about my handwriting, but I'm writing on a laptop on a touchpad, so it's very difficult. Okay, so there are 15 ways to choose the purple pair of lines. How many ways are there to choose the yellow pair of lines? Correct, the same number, 15. Because we can't, because we can just rotate the whole thing and apply the same principles. So for yellow ones, it's also 15, and 15 purple lines times 15 sets of purple lines times 15 sets of yellow lines is equal to 220 wrong 225. And this is the answer to our question. There are 225 ways to color one or more unit squares red such that the resulting red area is rectangle. Problem solved. Thank you for your time. Goodbye. See you in the next video.